Kaya para makuha na yung klima dahil.
クリリン、この人造人間をどうするつもりだ。まだ生きているなら、早く殺せ。どうだかな。相変わらずお人よしだぜ。
Give me water. Give me water.
Or Les Grognards, became the most feared infantry in Napoleon's army. Chosen from veteran soldiers with years of combat experience, they represented discipline, loyalty, and battlefield prestige. They wore dark blue coats with red facings, white trousers, tall bearskin caps, and on campaign many were also seen in long gray boots, adding to their imposing appearance. Rarely committed as victory was at stake, their presence alone could steady wavering troops. From Austerlitz to the final stand at Waterloo, the Old Guard embodied the strength and pride of Napoleonic France, all from our history at Underman. This is how the Grenadiers of the Old Guard, known as the Growlers, or Les Grognards, became the most feared infantry in Napoleon's army. Chosen from veteran soldiers with years of combat experience, they represented discipline, loyalty, and battlefield.
Do not lose your mind. In this mod, you spawn with a mental health meter. You have to keep it up, or else you're going to become insane. If you kill animals, get wet, eat unhealthily, lose health,
Tambal para sa sakit sa tiyan.
will start decreasing.
Tag, dali!
Your vision
Ang
becomes
sakit sa
blurry
go,
and you
dali na.
start hearing sounds. However,
Dali kayo masakit na po na mong tiyan. Ang pupo ni mag-water tambal. It's a water tambal. So, it's like a salt.
mobs will look
See,
different and run
go.
away from you, and your mind is going to create
Finish,
entities to
finish.
attack you.
All of
There's
that.
actually a way to restore your
Para
sanity.
dili
Some
mag-water
villagers
mong
hang
cook.
out with the same friend near a campfire while fishing.
Sige.
You're going to be saving
Papa.
yourself. Do not lose your mind.
Snap a full body.
Ay, hindi mo man kiubos-ubusin. It's just a water. Drink it. It's just a water. A water na naitambal. Mo. Gusto ka ma-water na po di imuhang pupo? Duha ki anak ki sa CR. Ang tragi. Ay, paningkamot niya more water inom. It's okay. Very good. Ay, very good kay si Yuan, Papa. Apit na mahurot. I-finish gani. Sige, sige.
It's not in that body.
Pero it can help you.
If you travel to the
Ang
very
kabuutan
edge
sa
of
kung
the universe,
buriknoy. Oy,
throw a
finish.
spear into it, and it passes through,
Papa,
then it didn't
manaway
actually
mo anak
hit
ko.
the boundary,
Very good
just
kayo, Yuhan, no?
more space.
Very good
This
kay
means
mag-inom
the
tambaloy.
universe must not actually end
Anya na po
at
na,
the edge.
lunchtime.
It must be bigger. But
Dali
if
lang
you
na
throw the spear
na.
and it bounces off,
Mama, look.
there still has to be something on the other side to block it. And something isn't nothing. Meaning, either way, the
Ulong kay Balikin. Balik sige, balik.
Wow, gawa niya!
throw a spear into it, and it passes through.
Why does Russia own this little space in Kazakhstan? So in 1955, when the USSR was launching rockets into space, they chose this place for a space launch facility because it was far from populated regions, and also because rockets travel faster when they are closer to equator. This became the largest spaceport in the world, and also saw the launch of the first human into space. Then the USSR collapsed. Kazakhstan inherited Baikonur. However, Russia then made a deal where it pays $115 million annually and leases the port until 2050. Why does Russia own this little space in Kazakhstan? So in 19 have you ever wondered?
Like this one is, yay!
You killed. Why is this? Well, on this.
This is not a tree because when you try to cut it, all you get pine cone. Its name is Trooper, and at night it walks around the forest. If you plant the pine cone and wait for them to grow, you get a Trooper. Once you tame them with bone meal, they will follow you around, and they love you so much that they will sacrifice their life protecting you. But if you go to the savannah, you find a stecative. By giving it honeycomb, you can tame it, ride it. It's not fast, but you can use it to carry animal or even village. If you right-click it, it goes to sleep. And you can even stack them like Lego or dye their shells different colors. This is not a tree.
M-E-M-E meme.
D-A-W-G. Dog.
You got no dog in you. Oh my gosh, well, guess what, boy? There's no money involved except for life.
6, 7.
Give me that money, but we're done with that one. We've done that at least 6 or 7 times by now.
F-U-N-I.
Okay, why do you think it's money after money? No, there's nothing. Okay.
S-I-N-K, sink.
Sink? Wally, this is your best guess you've ever done. Green S. Green eye.
Great lock-in. 6.
Okay, well, that was the best lock-in you've got. Because you got a green eye. No, 60.
69.
Okay, it's not 40. No, Wally, your whole lineage depends on this answer. Okay, your lineage is
M-E-M-E.
Do not open this locket. When you spawn, you'll see a locket somewhere in your world. If
No,
you open
6,
it, you'll
7.
get full
I
health
hate it.
immediately, and a timer begins. After 30 seconds, poison and wither effects are removed. At 90 seconds, it gives you night vision, and if you hold it for 3 minutes, you'll get strength, speed, haste, and become almost invincible. But if the timer hits 3 minutes and 40 seconds, it becomes unstable. So quickly close it and put it back on the ground, or get rid of it. Or even better, let your friend open it. And exactly 20 seconds after that, they'll mutate into this monster, and you will lose your friend forever in this body. Which building is it, sir?
That's all 1 o'clock. It was built at 1 o'clock. Hey, Dave, which one is it? Is it the one on the left or the right? The one on the left.
Hey, isn't this danger close for the task force?
Come on, since when you ship?
Which building is it, sir?
That's all 1 o'clock. It was built at 1 o'clock. Hey, Dave, which one is it? Is it the one on the left or the right? The one on the left.
Hey, isn't this danger close for the task force?
Come on, since when you ship?
Which building is it, sir?
That's all 1 o'clock. It was built at 1 o'clock. Hey, Dave, which one is it? Is it the one on the left or the right? The one on the left.
Hey, isn't this danger close for the task force?
Come on, since when you ship?
Huh? What's that? She told me story for
ごく私の大好き。いろいろプレゼントをしてしまう。
After about an hour of building, the base structure and exterior of the FNAF 1 location is now all complete. The interior is just as it's shown off in the first game, but the exterior had a lot of inspiration taken from the Five Nights ride experience that was shown off a few years ago. You'll notice that I completely skipped over the iconic checkered pattern wall project. You can see that I copied over the build from the main mod over to this one just so that I can mess around with different types of block palettes. Right in front of us, you can see that there are 6 different types of floor decorations that I had planned for this project, and of course we ended up going with this one right here, which is a mix of polished diorite and a block of coal. However, it is the one that I would have been better than using this technique behind it. We can see the designs that we are going to be working with for this build. So here we have 3 different, and this is a map line. You can see 4 giant squares along the ground here, and then we were able to put it on an item frame and put it all along the building. In the past, I've been can be put into this, but once we're done with that, there isn't order around it. How here in the kitchen, you can see that they've used these smaller checkered patterns along the floor. That same pattern carries over to the bathroom hallway and even into all the custom player headband with these for your own Minecraft floor. And this was done using this command right here. So it is. Today's video is
Guys,
going
I'm
to be a
trying to
little
teach Bourbon how
different.
to shake hands,
If you're
pero
gonna never
wala
once
niya.
relied on a full day, you want to go to the and this was
Ano ba
list. I
yan?
need to be here. I don't know how long it's going to
Parang
take me
siya
to
pa yung
actually
galit.
figure out what I'm
So
going
I
to
went
build,
to...
but it looks like there's a lot going on here. So before
Why are you touching your dick?
Because it smells good.
What?
It smells good, you idiot. What?
Ew, what the freak?
I am a PPS. What, guys? What, guys? Oh, wait, para ka. Oh, I will have my own. Kibla. Oh. Who's that?
Oh.
Yo, it's so gay. So gay. Why I'm... What? Oh, you and Kibla. From Kibla, the story. Your mother super duper? Yes, it's my mother. And what's your dad? What's your dad doing? Ah, why Kibla is alone?
Come on, read the bag.
Read the bag. Read my bag.
Guys, I'm trying to teach Bourbon how to shake hands, pero wala
You
niya.
like my bats?
Oh. Ano ba yan? Dead ba? Parang siya pa yung galit. So I went to TikTok's AI chatbot. Taco. Na nasa
Why are
TikTok
you
app na
touching your
mismo. Punta ka lang sa FYP. So, then click search sa upper right corner. Type mo lang tanong mo. Click search, then dito sa left side sa...
Pupuas in a PPS.
Ew.
I like pupuas in a PPS.
Ah.
baba ng search bar, ito.
Can you smell my hand?
Ew, no.
You like it? You like it? Yes. You love. Right. 3 good years.
How many, Sergeant? About 2,000, sir. Shouldn't be too many at all. What means? Hit ground. Give him two boys and then run.
You see that story. Yeah. What the? I. Who just kicked me out there? Yes. Who just kicked me out? Who just kicked me out? Ugh. Kick me out. They kick me out. I'm falling.